Samsung has officially confirmed that the One UI 8 beta program, based on Android 16, is rolling out soon to more Galaxy devices, and it's happening earlier than expected. Starting August 11th, if you live in the US, South Korea, the UK, or India and you own a Galaxy S24, Galaxy Z Fold 6, or Galaxy Z Flip 6, you can join the beta and try the update before everyone else. This is just the first phase. In September, more devices will be added, including the Galaxy S23 series, Galaxy Z Fold 5, Galaxy Z Flip 5, Galaxy A36 5G, Galaxy A55 5G, Galaxy A35 5G, and Galaxy A54. If your phone is on this list but not in the first wave, you'll just need to wait a few more weeks. The beta is for people who like testing new features before the stable release and don't mind running into a few bugs. If you want to join, you can sign up using the Samsung Members app. Once you're in, you'll get early access to all the new One UI 8 features, and you'll also be able to send feedback directly to Samsung so they can fix issues before the final version comes out. Samsung says the stable version of One UI 8 will launch in September, starting with the Galaxy S25 series. Other supported devices will follow shortly after. That means beta testers have only a short time to explore the new features and report bugs before the final release. It's not just phones getting updates. One UI 8 Watch is also on the way. This update will be available for the Galaxy Watch 8 series and other eligible models, bringing new health features and better performance. So, what's new in One UI 8? This update is based on Android 16 and focuses on AI, personalization, and easier usability. It was first seen on the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, which launched on July 9th. One UI 8 is among the first interfaces to fully use Android 16's features. The biggest change is the new multimodal AI system. This AI understands the context of what you're doing and can respond in smarter, more useful ways. For example, if you're multitasking, it can suggest shortcuts or actions to help you work faster. It also adapts to different devices, whether it's a normal phone, a foldable, or a tablet, so the experience feels smooth on any screen size. To standout AI features are the Now Bar and Now Brief. The Now Bar gives you real-time suggestions while you use your phone, while Now Brief delivers quick summaries and updates based on your activities and preferences. Privacy is also improved. Samsung Knox Vault protects your sensitive information, and you can now process AI tasks directly on your phone instead of in the cloud, giving you more control over your data. One UI 8 also has new features for everyday convenience. Auracast support lets you share audio wirelessly with just a QR code, perfect for connecting Galaxy Buds or hearing aids without going through a long setup. Device servicing is faster too, thanks to QR and NFC support for check-ins at Samsung Repair Centers. The Reminder app now works better with voice commands and makes sharing lists easier. Quick Share is also faster. You can now send files directly from the Quick Settings panel with one tap. Samsung clearly wants to make this rollout smoother than last year's. When One UI 7 came out, it was delayed. That update, based on Android 15, was expected in late 2024, but didn't start beta testing for the Galaxy S24 series until December. The stable version launched in January with the Galaxy S25, but most users didn't get it until April. This time, Samsung is moving quicker, starting with the latest flagship phones and expanding to more models within weeks. If you're wondering whether to join the beta or wait, it depends on your preference. The beta lets you try new features first but can be unstable. The stable version will be more reliable but will arrive later. Overall, One UI 8 looks like one of Samsung's most advanced updates yet. With Android 16 as its base, smarter AI features, stronger privacy controls, and small but useful improvements, it's designed to make Galaxy devices more powerful and helpful in daily life. Whether you decide to test it early or wait for the September stable release, One UI 8 is coming soon, and it promises to make your phone feel smarter and more personal than ever.